Alright, here is the CSX L640. Stumble on that train is the CSX L640. The L640 starts off in Sumter, South Carolina, heads north to Florence, South Carolina, which is where it's at now, heading to FY, where it terminates. And again, for those of you who are new and you guys ever hear me say that and wonder,
CSX Equipment Defect Detector, milepost 295.8, track 1, no defects, no defects, total axle 272, end of transmission.
as I was saying, for those of you who are new that are joining the channel and ever wonder what does FY mean when I say that word terminates, I mean Florence Yard. Florence Yard in Florence, South Carolina is where it terminates.